So I posted this particular video sometime in August, or is it late July, maybe early August. And before the end of that month, I was already monetized. Now, if you look closely at the video, the beginning part of the video where I was speaking, you would notice that my eyeballs were red. That morning, before I filmed that video, I had cried. I was frustrated. I told my husband I wasn't going to continue anymore. I was frustrated about my other channel. I was frustrated about this one too. I was frustrated because I was putting in a lot of work and I was getting in no returns. And so I was ready to, just give it up. But there's something about me is that once I start something, I hate ending it defeated. So immediately after I cried, you see that my shirt was rumpled. I had just my husband's t-shirt on. I was not motivated that day at all. And so I created that video and posted it. And I just posted it because I'm like, you know what? Guess what? It's the same thing. It's probably not going to go anywhere. Maybe 200 views for the most part. And I posted it. And then after a week, that video started to gain momentum. I just opened it one day and I said I already had 1,000 views and I was like, what is this? And then 2 days later, I opened my studio. Then I was not even addicted to my studio. And then I saw it and I saw that it started gaining momentum. If you see that video, you'd see that I had maybe 290 something subscribers. And now I have over 1,000. I'm saying all of this to tell you not to give up. I'm saying all of this to tell you that it's going to come. And that video so far has made me over $9,000. One video, 100 and something thousand views, over $9,000. Now, a lot of people will say, oh, I don't have enough views. I tell you, this is one thing I tell God. With 2 views, it has to pay me. With 2,000 views, it has to pay me, right? So my CPM skyrocketed for whatever reason, and this video has made me over $9,000, right? And even though sometimes you can get frustrated about your views, like I got frustrated about my views. Like February has been my lowest month so far, but I still got $1,900 from AdSense. February has been the lowest month so far, but I still got 1,900 from AdSense. So I want to encourage you not to give up, right? Before I got that video blow up, I had been on YouTube for 3 years with no blow up, no monetization, nothing. And then I started another channel from the beginning, from the scratch, doing something else. So don't give up. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up too soon. That thing you're looking for is going to come. The only reason it will never come is when you give up, because you never know. Now stop comparing your day 1 with another person's day 1,000. Stop comparing your video 20 with another person's video 1,300, right? Stop comparing. Listen, I think that video that blew up was probably my 1,050th video, because I had posted almost 1,000 videos on the other channel and then maybe 50 on this channel. Consistency, right? And I was posting every day because I wanted to keep getting better. I want to encourage you to not give up. Please don't give up. It's going to come. And the only reason it will come is if you do not give up. All right. The only reason it's to come is if you do not give up. I just want you to keep trying, keep improving yourself. Always ask yourself with every video, what can I do better? Even if it's just one tweak, even if it's just one letter. Can you guys see my chicken? I'm marinating chicken. Even if it's just, one thing that you tweak, try to improve yourself and keep getting better, because at the end of the day, it's all going to come. You just have to wait. If you don't wait, it's never going to come. If you wait, it will come. It may come this year, it may come next year, it may come in the next 50 years, but it's going to come. Now, if you give up, it's never going to come. If you keep at it, it will come. So what would you rather do? Would you rather keep at it and wait for it to come, or would you give up and risk not getting it at all? I can tell you for sure that if you keep at it, it will keep coming. Anyway, guys, I hope you have an amazing weekend. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Maybe I should have a goofy Friday every Friday. I'll make a goofy video for you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Ooh. Mabel, Barnabas, who else? Aunt Riva, who else? Everybody, if you see this video, Rose. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Don't give up, okay? We're gonna make it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna get it. I don't know. I'm feeling hyped this weekend. I'm feeling hyped today. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. This is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.